everyone, I am here at Perrot State Park and I am planning to go around the river here by the Mississippi, and then I'm going to go up Perrot Ridge and then up Brady's Bluff. So I have about a couple hours to do this, and we just had a snowstorm a couple days ago, so that might add to the challenge of getting back in time, but I have confidence I can do it. So let's go get her done. So here's where I break off down by the Mississippi. See how good I can make it down here. Luckily someone broke ship for me a little bit. Very pretty out here. Beautiful day too. It's like 38 degrees. Alright, the road controller back to the road here. Which is fine. It's getting tiring. Other than that, look down here. These little breaks up to the road. It's a cool little spot. About halfway up this bluff, I think. Halfway up to 500 feet. I have a couple different options. It's going to be easier the hard way, or not the hard way. I'm at 26 minutes, gone 1.62 miles. So I think I'm on track to finish in 2 hours. Probably a bit windy up here. Getting kind of chilly. Really pretty though. Alright guys, I made it to the top of Perrot Ridge, 39 minutes. I'm not going to be up here long because it's windy and cold, but we're going back down, back over Brady's Bluff, then we'll go up that one. Alright, well this has changed since I've been here last. Terrible erosion I guess, but whatever. No one's broke trail here for obvious reasons, but yeah, we'll go on anyway. Well, this is sketch balls. Let's see. Here we go. Let's find some terrible erosion. Whee! Whoa, not sure what's right here. Woo! This is cool, guys. Break my own trail. No one else out here. Sick. Linked up to the main trail again. Hey guys, this marks the end of Perrot Ridge Trail. I made it down the trail by Mississippi, up Perrot Ridge, down to Brady's Bluff in 49 minutes. Gives me an hour and 10 minutes to do this. Probably won't take half that. So, a very good time again. Oh, I love bridge. Train's going by. Choo-choo. Just hit the 1 hour mark. All right, made it to the final traverse to get to the top of Brady's Bluff. All right, Made it to the top of Brady's Bluff. An hour and 9 minutes. I'm gonna chill in this hut here for a minute. Get out of the wind. Still feel the wind in here, not as bad. Keep going in a second here. Alright, there's a map here, so I'm gonna kind of show you what I did today. I parked right here, then I ran down the road, connected with the trail right down here, ran down this way till about right up here, then I cut up, and went down this way, on the road past the headquarters, then went up this way, round, up, down, get over to Brady's Bluff. I am here. I'm gonna cut back down and get to the car. It's pretty cool. Alright, making it down these sketchy stairs here. Woo. Heavily relied on the snow spikes. So far so good. Alright, made it down to the gold sand here. This is normally infested with bees in the summer, so I don't come here usually around that time, but now is the perfect time. Check her out. Oh yeah. Alright, back over the stairs. Look, might do down again. To the bottom of the first set of stairs. Got a few more stairs left, and then pretty much home free down to the bottom. Just going real hard, you can see the Prius down there. Alright guys, made it to the end here. Alright, did it an hour and 26 minutes. Shattered my goal of 2 hours. Shows that you can do some things you don't think you can. You just gotta try hard. So yeah, again, a beautiful day out today. It was very, very fun. It was cool breaking trail down to the Perrot Ridge where it was technically closed due to erosion. But yeah, thank you guys very much again for watching. We'll see you next time.